Alright, this is question number 3. So now so don't forget this kind of the format of this question here. So to explain, so let's recall, whenever you have a question like this, so when your option is A, if you choose your option as A, so that implies that the quantity A is greater than the quantity B. When you choose B, if you choose B as your solution or as your option, then it implies that the quantity B is greater than the quantity A. That is 6C plus 3D is greater than 9A plus 3B. So then if you choose C as your solution, it implies that the quantity you have here, that's quantity A and quantity B, they are equal. And then if you choose your answer as D, it implies that the information you're given, that is, this whole information you're given, is not sufficient to determine a relationship between column A and column B. That is the quantity in column A and the quantity in column B. So in an aid to find or to establish a relationship between the quantities we have in column A and the quantity we have in column B, a very good place to start is to look at the information we are given. So I'm going to use the information I'm given to see if I can establish a relationship between quantity A. So I'm going to be calling this henceforth, I'll call this quantity A. So I'm going to call this quantity A, we'll call this quantity A, while we'll call this quantity B because it falls under column B, just to make things short. Alright, so let me see if I can solve this equation here and then see if I can establish a relationship. Alright, so what I'm giving here is A divided by 2 plus B divided by 6. Now this equals C all over 3 plus D all over 9. Now to solve this, when you look at the left hand side, you find the LCM of 2 and 6. Since it's a fraction, the LCM is 6. Now 6 divided by 2 is 3 times A, you have 3A. Plus 6 divided by 6 is 1 times B, you have B. Now this equals the LCM of 3 and 9 is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3 times C, that would give you 3C. Plus 9 divided by 9 is 1 times D, that would give you D. So what you do next is you could cross multiply. So when you cross multiply here, so what you'd observe here is this is going to give you 3A plus B equals, so I'm just going to leave this as, this is going to be 6 multiplied by 3C plus D divided by 9. So you observe we still have a 9 here. Now when we come back to this question here, what you'd observe in the left hand side, that is for quantity A, what you'd observe in quantity A is 9A plus 3B, but then what I have here is 3A plus B equals this. Now I can factorize 9A plus 3B, so you'd have 3 into 3A plus B. So to see what 9A plus 3B is, I could multiply both the left and the right hand side by 3. So you have here 3 times this, and then you have here 3 times whatever you have here. Now when you do this, so what you're going to obtain here is 3 times 3A, that is 3 times all you have here is going to be 9A plus 3B. Sorry, this is going to be 9A plus 3B equals, now this 3 goes in 9, you have 3, and then 3 goes in 6, you have 2. So 2 multiplied by 3C would give you 6C, plus 2 multiplied by D would give you 2D. So in other words, another way of writing 9A plus 3B is just to write 6C plus 2D. So 9A plus 3B, so I've been able to find out that 9A plus 3B is the same thing as 6C plus 2D. So this is what I have for my quantity A. But then what you'd observe in column B, that is quantity B, is 6C plus 3D. But then 6C plus 3D is the same thing as 6C plus 2D plus D. So there's an extra term that is added to the quantity A that can give us quantity B. So you begin to wonder, how then do I know which is greater? Now you would observe we only use this information here, but then we are given another information here. We are told that A B, C, and D are positive numbers. Now when they say something is positive, it implies that A, B, C, and D, they are strictly greater than 0. That is, they are not equal to 0, but they are greater than 0. So since D is greater than 0, and then you have 6C plus 2D, so it implies that 6C plus 3D must be greater than 6C plus 2D. Why? Because we have added a positive number to this to get column B. So that tells us that the solution of this problem is just going to be B, and that completes the problem. Thanks for watching.